Alright, well, other than getting the springs back on, this was a really simple install, and it fits awesome. So you can see the two brothers on there now, and it changes the exhaust side to the driver's side from the passenger side on the stock. And anyway, you can see it comes with the pipe and everything. So you got the stainless pipe, you use factory hangers, and if you follow the instructions, it goes pretty simple. Like I say, other than getting the springs on this side wasn't a big deal. On that back side was kind of a pain in the butt, but they give you a little spring installer and deinstaller, and so it works out. But anyway, it's on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up and see what the difference is. I just left it in there. They said it's no difference in the horsepower or torque increase, so I figured why not leave it in there. But I'll rev it up here a little bit. Alright, well, that's what you got. So Two Brothers Racing exhaust, it says it's for the 15 through the 18, but this is the 2019, and as you can see, it fits great, so no issues there. So installment on the 2019 is going to be the same as the 2018 and 15 and whatever, I'm assuming. So it fits up real nice and level. So you can use the 15 to the 18 Two Brothers exhaust on your 2019 CFMoto Zforce 800.